How to read books offline on Wattpad. If you love reading on Wattpad but don't always have an internet connection, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to read books offline on Wattpad. It's a total game changer when you're on the go and want to catch up on your favorite stories. So grab your phone and let's get started. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account and connected to the internet. Now, search for the book that you want to read offline. You can simply either use the search bar or browse your library if you've already found the book that you want. Now, let's choose the first one. Now, once you've selected the book, simply tap on the three dots which you can find next to the title to open up additional options for that story. After you've simply clicked on it, simply click on download. This will start the process of downloading the story to your device so you can read it offline. Simply wait for the book to download. And once you've done that, you can simply read this book even after. You can simply, when you're offline, you can simply find it anytime in the library tab. Under offline, you'll see all the books that are saved to your device. And now you can simply set to simply read downloaded books and start reading it offline.